here is usually hot and steamy in the summer and warm in the winter. The hottest temperature has been 93 degrees. The coldest temperature has been 68 degrees.
The rainforest is known for being covered with lots of trees and shrubs. The water sources in this region include with streams, lakes, ponds, and rain and waterfalls. There are interesting plants that grow here. Some of them are fungi, trees, shrubs, flowers, and vines.
Many animals live in the rainforest. The largest predators are leopards, jaguar, and gold lion monkey. Smaller carnivores are snake, chameleon, and bat. The plant-eating animals are caterpillar, gorilla, snakes, and gold lion monkey. There are even some omnivores such as snakes and gold lion monkey.
There are many ways that these animals use camouflage. For example, a chameleon can change color when their predators are around. Another example is a crab spider can hide in yellow lilies because it is yellow. Also, a snake can hide in a shrub or some leaves in the grass. It is amazing how many clever ways there are for animals to camouflage.
We have learned many facts about the rainforest. We were most surprised that there are so many trees, flowers, and shrubs.
The important thing about the rainforest is to stop cutting down trees.
The rainforest is quite a special habitat.
Yeah!